Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Confirm the router and modem are powered and online, and plug your Chromebook into a charger so it won't sleep mid-fix. Once done, sign in as the device owner or use admin credentials. Make sure guest mode isn't blocking settings access. Next, open the status tray, tap the network area, and choose Forget for any problematic SSID. This clears corrupted configs. You do this because old profiles often stop the driver from negotiating a connection. Now you tackle the middle steps. First, try forgetting the SSID, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, then re-enter the exact password. Case and spaces matter. If that fails, plug in Ethernet via a USB adapter to confirm the Chromebook can reach the internet. This separates router problems from Wi-Fi driver faults. If Ethernet works but Wi-Fi remains dead, perform a power wash from settings to reset user-level corruption, because the factory reset removes misconfigured network profiles. Finish by updating Chrome OS immediately. Updates include Wi-Fi driver fixes and security patches, so check for updates and reboot. Once updated, re-add your network and confirm advanced settings like 802.1x or static IP are correct. Adjust them if your network uses enterprise authentication. If device is managed, make sure enrollment hasn't applied a blocking policy. Troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, switch to another known good Wi-Fi or restart the router. If that still fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.